Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, enter menu, and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, enter voice match, and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree, and now continue. Try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.